Today, Singapore is a critical manufacturing base producing a diverse range of medical technology products from implantable pacemakers to contact lenses and life science instruments for global markets. Understanding the legislation, key regulatory actors, and the essential steps in the quality management system is vital to bringing products to market. This program aims to provide comprehensive training on the MedTech regulations and quality management system. Dr. Wang is the course leader for the SGUS MedTech Manufacturing Program.
I'm Dr. Wang Zhenfeng, Senior Scientist and Course Lead for the SG United Program for MedTech Product Manufacturing. I am an expert on microfluidics and lead the process technology team in Smart Microfluidics Group.
Within the medtech industry, the key to staying ahead of the competitors is assessing the latest technological advances and aligning the project management practices to respond quickly and intelligently. During this course, the knowledge and skills about new product development and project management will be delivered. The current COVID-19 pandemic has also proven the significance of a rapid and reliable diagnosis tool, where microfluidics and lab-on-a-chip technologies grow their importance. The knowledge and skills from learning these new technologies will be addressed during the course. Participants will have the opportunity to apply their newly acquired skills in product development and manufacturing environment at Simtech's state-of-the-art facilities. To find out more, scan this QR code or follow this link. Course participation is limited to 20 people per batch only.